Holy 3D. Oh.
Is he serious?
Another
game!
You already got a game in there. Wait, is this another game? Not this guy. Maybe. Okay. Here's the actual Wii U thingy. I think.
It's the console. It's not. It's the console.
So this does not come with a remote.
The remote is right here.
It's the Wii U.
That's,
Console! The console!
that's the actual console.
Amazing.
You know, the best part about getting electronics
What's
is
this?
tearing the peeling off. Everybody loves tearing the peeling off. It's an amazing feeling.
It already sticks to my fingers.
It's the tablet of time.
Tablet time.
Where's the thing?
So yeah, that's
That's it. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some other
I'll
stuff.
set it up.
Let's make a channel.
Yeah.